What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So in this video we're going to be installing the HKS Bov valve. I think it's like SSQV2, I think, something like that. I'll show you guys. And then I haven't recorded in a while, so I'm gonna show you guys what I did off camera. I rewired the whole car, so or the engine bay area. So yeah, let's take a look at that. Alright guys, so I don't know if you guys remember from my last video, it's been a while, but that wire harness used to wrap all the way around the front, and then it went to this spot. So what I did is cut it down the middle. I probably put some clips in that I had from Snapchat. Might be a little choppy or might look funny.
Where'd that come from?
Just those two bundles. These are the headlights. Came out clean. But it'll be from Snapchat. Then I cut it down the middle and I wired it. So it goes to there, it goes up, goes all the way around, and it's right here. It's kind of cluttered, but it's not that bad. So I got the one fuse box and another fuse box I deleted. I didn't really need nothing out of there except for this ACC relay, another N and P clutch, and then I have the AC inside this box. So yeah. So that's the wiring. It took me like about 3 days to do that. So now going to the HKS. Let me open it up for you guys. So I got these little slap ring clips for $5 at Harbor Freight. Got the hose I needed. It didn't come with the hose. And then open this up. It has this. I already have this on the car, so we don't need that. And then I have the O-ring, snap ring, and then a filter. Then the blow-off valve. HKS. So yeah, so let's install it. Alright guys, so here's the blow-off valve. I put a zip tie right here, and I have it running right here to the filter. 2 clamps, and it's running right here with another zip tie. So yeah. So the blow-off valve is in. Saw the wiring. That's it for this video. I can't turn the car on yet because it's not wired up correctly. And I need a fuel pressure regulator, so waiting on that in the mail. Once that come in, hopefully we'll be able to do the first startup and see if the car starts. So yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. And if you have subscribed, thank you guys for you know, staying on this journey. I know it's been up and down. So yeah, catch you guys next video. Just those 2 bundles. These are the headlights. Came out clean.